Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. Can you all hear me? Good evening to all who are present over here. Can you all hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So just wait for a minute. Wait for a while. Let others join the session. We'll start the session shortly. Okay. Okay. So basically, I'm Sachin, and I will be helping you out for conducting the session. So please allow me to share my screen. So can I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So wait, I'm sharing my screen, and okay, I have shared a link in the chat box. Yeah, please first copy this link 2022.icode.org.
It's
Please.
already open on my iPad.
Okay, it's already open in your iPad. Okay, so is it possible to log in with laptop? Okay, right. So basically, just give me a minute first. Yes,
Sir, do I open the link?
yes, we have to open the link. I will be helping you out. Just wait a minute. I'll be there to help you out. Okay, right. So what basically we have to do that we have to paste that link, open Chrome, choose a new tab, and we need to paste that link here. The link which I have shared over the chat. Copy this link first, or we also can type it. Either copy, those who are unable to copy the link, they can type that link in the chat box. Okay, type or copy the link and then press enter. Got it? Okay. And then after, wait a second. Let me log out. Okay. Copy that link, and as soon as you press enter, you'll be getting a page. Whereas you'll be getting a welcome page that welcome to ICode Global Hackathon 2022, right? As it's the world largest K12 coding competition platform where all get registered here for the largest coding competition, ICode Global Hackathon, right? So are you all getting this page? ICode Global Hackathon page?
Sir, I've already logged in.
Okay, so basically everyone should be logged in so that we can start the session, right? So
Yes.
those, okay. So it's for all, copy this link, go to this page, and here you'll be getting an option to log in. Here you have to type your registered email ID. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
my laptop, it's loading. It's taking a bit to load. I'm just going to just
Yeah. Okay.
Do it on the
Take your
iPad.
time.
I'll shift to the laptop in a minute. Sir, I already logged.
Okay.
So
So I'll be there to help you out. No issue. I'll be sending the link again in the chat box. Okay. So basically, what you all have to do is you all have to write your email ID, the registered email ID. As I'm going to write my registered email ID here. SACHIN Sachin SIN 35796. So everyone need to type their registered email ID here. Okay. As soon as you type your registered email ID, you need to click on send validation code. So as soon as you click on send validation code, you will be getting a validation code on your mail. So what we need to do now is we need to check our mail for the given OTP validation code. Okay. So please go to your Gmail ID. Go to your Gmail ID and we need to now write the validation code here. We all will be getting 6-digit code here. Okay, so 19. Okay, so those who are joining late and in any case of doubt or issue, please you can unmute yourself and do let me know so that I can help you out in logging your ICode Hackathon.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you hear me? Yeah, I am with Kabir Nair. I am Pragnay's mom. Pragnay didn't get the this login details because I by mistake I entered the wrong email ID. So I just mailed the by that email ID. I just replied there, and I changed the email ID of Pragnay. So can you please send him the login details so that he can also do this later?
Ma'am, basically, I'm sending you a contact number in the chat box. Please call him as I don't have the authority to get the email ID.
Oh.
Okay, or to change the email ID, but I can share a number.
Because I already said that, and they told me that they'll send you the details, and I'll get the validation. I get the.
Ma'am, basically, here we have to type the registered email ID. When you have registered your child for the hackathon.
No, the thing is, I gave the wrong email ID, so that's why the Pragnay.
So for that, ma'am, please once contact with the team as soon as possible. He will be helping you out in a minute.
Okay. And where's your the contact number for the same?
Ma'am, just give me a minute. I'm just providing the contact number in the chat box.
I don't want to see chat, beta. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah.
how can I move this?
I have shared contact number through chat now. Please have a look.
Sir, I have logged in. What should I do next?
Just wait a minute. Let me also log in.
Sir.
Okay. So here what I was there that what we need to do is we need to type our registered email ID here. Then after we'll be getting a validation code. Once we get we get this validation code over mail, and then after we need to type that validation code here, and then after we need to click on submit validation code. Click on submit validation code. As soon as you click on submit validation code, you'll be getting this type of page, wherein you'll be getting your name, hi, and I am there. Okay. So once everyone logged into this page, please let me know so that I can move next.
Okay.
Type your registered email ID. And you will be getting a validation code. Once you submit your validation code, it will take you to the next page.
मेरा तुम्हारा पेज और ये सर का पेज है. I don't know why two windows are. You just do this.
I'm logged in.
Okay.
Then what?
Yeah.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, I can hear you out.
What do you have to do again? And
Okay.
there
So
was
after
an
that,
error.
where are you getting an error?
Yeah, and one more thing, my
Alt
my
tab.
video is not coming.
Alt tab.
I just have a black
As
screen.
those who have switched on the those who have switched off their video,
Window on
please
the
turn
I
on
have
the
not
video.
switched off the camera. It's
Okay, no
it's
issue.
doing it by itself.
बुरा नहीं है.
Okay, no issue, no issue. But those who have switched off their camera, please turn on your camera so that I can see you
I'm
out.
trying to. It's but I haven't turned off it.
No issue, no
सर
issue.
का
No issue.
स्क्रीन है, ठीक है, और ये तुम्हारा.
Okay.
our camera is not working.
No issue. The basic module is
But I want to show myself.
okay. So for that, you need to check your settings once if something having an issue with your settings. So okay, as soon as we get this page, what we need to do is we need to click on start learning. Everyone click on start learning. Right. Click on start learning, as then after we'll be getting this page, whereas here we'll be getting levels. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to clear all levels one by one. Good. I got a message from Arna that you have logged in. Okay.
Next, I have already logged in on the laptop.
Okay. So what we need to do is we need to clear out all the levels. Basically, we have to start from the beginning, level 1 with the basics. And we need to click on go. Right? Level 1, go.
I have already logged into that kind of hackathon page, but I have not come to the page which you have, which you are on.
At which page are you? Are you in at which page?
The blocky beginner ones.
Right, blocky beginner. So you'll be getting an option of start learning or join webinar.
I am having the option of start learning.
Right. So you'll be getting both the options, either start learning or join webinar. So click on start learning.
Okay, I have clicked on start learning.
Yes.
It's
Everyone
loading.
please. Yes, okay. Everyone please click on start learning. As soon as you click on start learning, you'll be getting this page. Whereas wherein we need to now start all the levels. Yes.
Sir, sir.
Yes, please.
I have clicked the video. Nothing.
Okay. So yes, Arno, please.
Sir, I've already done until level 4. I've already done it from unit 1 level 4. I've already done that.
Okay,
I've already done
that's pretty cool, but many of others have joined, right? So we have to start with the beginning. Yes.
Do we have to click on basic one go, or do we have to click on level 1?
Basic one.
Okay,
We have to start with the beginning. We have to start with the beginning.
Sir, I have a question. I have clicked on go, then it shows that there is a video. There is a video once I click.
Just wait a minute. Let me also click on go. Meanwhile, I'm taking all your attendance also. Okay. So if everyone is to this page, so what we need to do now is we need to click on go so that we can start solving the puzzles. It's basically a gaming platform with the help of learning blocking. It's a blocky gaming platform whereas we will be trying to solve all the levels one by one with the use of blocks.
I don't get a page like this one.
Okay, no issue. It's not this.
Page is different.
Yeah, that's okay.
Sir.
Yes.
So I reached level 20, but it's telling me to do it again and again. But I finished level 20.
Okay. Yes,
Sir,
please.
same is happening to me.
We don't have that kind of screen, sir.
I think you have to ask sir, what am I supposed to do? I'm getting this.
So what should I do after level 20?
Basically,
Sir?
just wait a minute. We need to start from the beginning, as many of have joined new. So let me go with the level 1, question 1.
Sir, I have a question. So look, when I just came on the level 1 basics, I just saw a simple line, like as you can see on the screen, you have that same thingy, but it's a circle. I only have a line.
Okay, no issue. Basically, you all will be getting this type of interface, whereas wherein we need to click on basic go, and it will start with the level 1.
Sir,
Yes.
well, what should I do after level 20?
So we need to go for unit 3.
No, we're not getting the same page. We're getting some videos. Should we see it?
Okay, I got it.
Number 1.
Right. So, are you all there to this page?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
See,
we're not
yes,
getting the same screen as yours. We're getting a different screen.
no issue. If you're getting a different screen, the motto is that are you getting a date, whereas wherein we need to collect all the boosters.
It's saying basically like watch this video. We're doing 5 times.
I can't understand. Basically, please repeat
The
again.
video.
Are you getting this? Okay, so just pause the video or complete the video.
मैं बड़ा कर रही हूँ दिखाने में थक जाया करो हाथ बार
Okay, complete the video.
Yeah. Directly go to the end of the video. As you are getting from the beginning, na. So do not need to watch the video. Just end the video so that you can directly switch to unit 1 level 1.
That's what I did.
Okay. So basically, what is this? It's basically a game. Okay.
अभी कैसे गेम करनी है पहले लिसन कभी थोड़ा सा लैपटॉप उधर भी करो ओके देखो बेटा
So I did it till level 6. Okay. So what is this? It's basically a block-based coding gaming platform, whereas wherein with the help of blocks, we need to collect all the boosters. We means Dave. Here, the robot named Dave. So with the help of block-based coding, Dave need to collect all the boosters. So why Dave is collecting the boosters here? Basically, Dave wanted to travel in the spaceship. So once he tried traveling in the spaceship, so his spaceship got destroyed and everything was got scattered. And now Dave has to collect all the boosters so that he can reach the space again. Okay. So now here are the blocks, and with the help of block-based coding, Dave need to collect all the boosters. If you all are at unit 1 level 1, so that now I can start solving the puzzles. Am I? Can we start now? Anyone?
I have a question at level 10.
Okay, please let me start with the beginning, as very of them are new here. Okay.
Sir, I have a question at level 2.
Okay. So very soon we'll reach out to level 2. Okay. So let me start with the beginning. Unit 1, level 1. So what is this here? These are the grid lines. This grid line will help us out in solving the bigger puzzles. Okay. And this plus is for zooming. With this, we can zoom in to see, to watch out what Dave is doing. And this is for zoom out. This is zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Right. And basically, now these are the blocks with the help of these blocks, we need to collect the boosters. They will need to collect the boosters. So here, if we write the correct coding, so we'll be getting the 3 stars, else we'll be getting 2 stars, or we'll be getting 1 star. Okay, suppose in case if I write Dev 1, how many steps does Dev require to collect the booster? See, 1, Dev 1, 2, 3. That means they require 3 steps to collect the boosters, right? So here we do have a block, Dev step 1. So if I run the code, okay, let me run the code first. If I run the code, see, Dev has moved 1 step, but could not catch the booster, right? So in the same way, if Dev has to move 3 steps, so I'm connecting the 3 blocks, Dev step 1, Dev step 1, Dev step 1. Now, please tell me, can Dev now collect the booster?
Yes.
Yes, Dev now can collect the boosters. Okay. So will they will be getting 3 stars?
Yes. No. Yes.
Okay. Let me run it.
Sir,
See,
you can just put Dev step 3 instead of writing Dev 1 3 times.
right. So why, okay,
You can
why,
click the
yes,
box
yes,
that has
very good.
1 on it.
So why repeating blocks again and again if we can directly write the same block into 1? Right.
Sir,
Let me run it.
Can we put
See,
repeat
Dev,
block?
yes,
Can we
yes.
put a
Now
repeat?
see, Dev has collected the boosters, but could not get 3 stars because that the code was not properly correct. Right. The code was not proper correct. So instead of getting day one, what we can do, we can directly type you Dev step 3. Okay, so now they can collect the boosters and he can get 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Got it, right? Now Dev has got 3 stars. That means we have finished level 1, unit 1, level 1. Yeah. Everyone just complete this level so that we can switch for the next. Yes. Yes, those who have raised hand, please.
Sir, in this, I'm actually in the basic one. I'm in unit 2, level 11.
Okay, if you are level 11, if you have cleared the previous levels, just wait out.
No, I'm in basic 1. Basic 1, unit 2, level 11. I've cleared the previous levels.
Okay, so just give me some time. I will be there very soon and we'll start solving from there. Okay. Yes. Right.
We have completed unit
Yes.
1, so how should we get to unit 2? We've completed unit 1.
So I'm repeating again, I will be there to help you out solving all the levels one by one. But here we have, here as you can see that there are 15 students joining for the webinar. So in this, there are many newcomers also, those who are starting from the beginning. So just give me some time. We'll be soon to solve the puzzles. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
What if we're going straight and we do more blocks than just 3, 4 or 5 blocks, what will happen?
Please repeat again. If we are moving more.
If we are moving more blocks, what will happen?
Okay, if we are moving more blocks, that means we want that instead of just writing Dev step 3, if you are connecting more blocks, what will happen, right?
Yeah, if you're writing
So
and
you'll not be getting 3 stars because you'll be getting 3 stars only and only if the block coding will be proper correct.
so if it goes beyond the booster, then we'll not get 3 stars. We have
Right.
to on
We
the
only,
booster.
yes. We will be getting 3 stars only and only if we write the correct code for the for getting the booster. Correct code. We need to write the exact correct code. Suppose that code was also correct. Dev step 1, Dev step 1, Dev step 1. That means first Dev step will move first step, second step, then third step. But that code was not correct. Right? We need to write the exact correct code to collect the booster. Then only we'll be getting the 3 stars. Okay. Now in this unit 1 level 2, again we need to count the steps. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So instead of writing 3, now what we'll be writing here? We'll be writing Dev step 5. We need to drag and drop the first block, Dev step 5, and once I run it, see, once I run it, see, now I have got a, I got 3 stars, right? So those who are trying to complete the level, please take your first block, Dev step 1, change your number 1 to 5 so that Dev can move and collect the booster. So can I switch next? Please let me know, can I switch next? Okay, now, so here basically see, Dev first has to turn his face, Dev first has to turn, so let me know, Dev has to turn right or left. If Dev is standing in this position, so Dev has to turn right or left so that he can collect the booster. Okay, let me change this to
Right.
left first. Let me change this to left first. See, once Dev has changed left, there is no space to move next, right? So here we only have the option, to turn right.
So how do you move left and right?
Okay, how to move left and right? Just wait a minute. Here we have all the blocks. What we need to do is we need to choose these blocks to combine and to execute the program. Here we have an option, Dave turn right. And once you click here, we have the 2 options, turn right and turn left. Choose this block, second one. Choose the second one block, choose the second block. Dave turn right or turn left. According to given programming, what we need to do is we need to find out whether we need to turn right or left. Let me switch back to level 3. Right. So here Dave has to turn right. Once Dave turned right, now he need to move 1, 2. Now he need to move 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps. So what are the given instructions? The instructions are that first they need to turn right, then they need to move 4 steps to collect the booster. Right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So should I run it now? Dave turn right and then Dave step 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Okay. Now. Okay. So who will be okay. So any one of you please tell me the code to solve this puzzle. What should Dave do first?
So they should turn left and then go 4 blocks.
Right. But first of all, Dave should have
Turn
to
left
turn
and go
either
4
left
steps
or right.
forward.
Yes. First of all, Dave has to turn either left or right. So basically, here I'm connecting turn left, right? So left, turn left. Then after count the steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, Dave has to turn left. Then Dave has to move 4 steps so that Dave can collect the boosters. Right.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dave, turn left. Dave, step 4. I hope you all have cleared all the 3 levels and you are on 4th level. If anyone could not clear the level 1, 2, and 3, please let me know so that I can revise back. Is there anyone who has not cleared till level 3?
Sir,
Yes.
I have not completed level
Which one?
3.
You have
I
not
have not
completed level
completed
3.
level 3 and it doesn't show that
Okay, let me go back to level 3. I'm switching back to
in
level
level
3.
3 when I'm adding the Dave one step block,
Okay,
it's
okay,
not
just wait.
working for some reason. It's not working at all. Yeah.
What not working?
The Dave step one turn, the Dave step one block, they're trying to move it, but nothing is happening. I don't know why.
Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, let me solve it this with the beginning. So what we need to do is, see, I have deleted the block. So to delete the block, we have the 2 options: either put the block inside or keep your blocks inside the dustbin. Okay, first of all, we need to find out. Okay, just wait. First of all, we need to find out whether we have to turn over Dave. Either we have to turn over, either we have to turn Dave to the right or to the left. So we have to turn Dave to the left or right. Yes, where we have to turn Dave to the left or to your right.
Right.
Okay, so I have turned Dave right, and then after let's count the steps. Okay, turn Dave right, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have first connected the block, Dave turn right. Now we'll be connecting block, Dave step 1, and then after we'll change 1 to 4. Instead of writing Dev step 1, Dev step 1, Dev step 1, and Dev step 1, we directly can write Dev step 4. So first we need to connect the block Dev turn right, then Dev step 4, and then after click on run. So 1, 2, 3, and easily now Dev has collected the booster. Yes. Yes, it's working now. It's working now or not? It's working.
Yeah, but sir, how if we are in one level and we by mistakenly went to another level, how can we get back to the level we were in?
You can't you can't switch back to the level, you can't switch back to your any previous level, as you only need to solve your level first, then only you can switch to the next level.
But what if we by mistakenly went to another level, another higher level?
Okay, if by mistake you went to another higher level, how can you switch to any level back? Okay, so I'll be helping you out there. For that, you will need to go to menu and then you will switch, come back. Okay. So basically, just give me a minute, please. Everyone, turn on your cameras. Let me take your attendance first. Please turn on your cameras. Advik,
I can't turn.
Sambhavi.
The thing is not working for us. So we are not able to move the blocks. We are not able to move the blocks.
Okay. First of all, please everyone turn on your cameras.
Our camera is not working. Our camera is not working. It's saying stop. Too. Me too.
Okay. No issue. No issue. No issue. No issue. Got your attendance? Just wait a minute. Okay. So how can you switch back to any of your program, right? So for that you need to go to menu, and from menu we can switch back to our programs. But I don't think so that you have the rights to come back to your previous levels.
Well, we can.
Okay,
I have done that.
okay. So unit 1 level 4. It's the same one. In level 3, Dave has to turn right. In level 4, Dave has to turn left. Only and only Dave has to turn left. Let me first connect the blocks. Okay, I'm connecting here Dave. Okay, Dave, instead of turning right, Dave turn left. And then after, check it out, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now Dave has to move 4 steps. Dave turn left, Dave step 4. And once I click on run, check it out. See, Dave has collected the booster. Right? To add block, Dave turn left, and then after Dave step 4. So as we keep on solving the levels, yes.
Something wrong with my computer, so I'm not able to do anything. I'm stuck on level 3. Sir,
In that case, please once minimize your screen and then maximize.
sir,
Once minimize and then maximize.
okay, sir. Sir, I'm stuck on level 8, unit 1.
Okay.
I got stuck. How do we do that, sir? How do we do that, sir?
See, as
Sir,
you can see,
I'm stuck
level.
on level 5.
Okay, okay. So see, as my screen is on level 5 only. So once we solve this, we can switch to level 6. Okay. So basically, now what we have to do here. Okay, let me delete this. Okay. So first, what we need to do is here to collect Dave, how Dave can collect booster here. First of all, Dave has to move right 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. First of all, Dave will move 4 steps. Then after they will turn left. From here, they will turn left. Again, they will start moving 1, 2, 3. Right. So let's check it out. Dave step 4. Dave step 4, and then after Dave turn left. Dave turn left. So first they will move 4 step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after here they will turn left. Then again he will move to collect the booster 1, 2, 3 steps. Again he will move 3 steps to collect the booster. Let's check it out here. Yes.
Sir, that's what I did. Sir, how can I, what should I do after we finish level 20?
So for that, let me help you out. SS. Wait, let me help you out. So once we finish level 20, see, मैं बाहर आ जा रहा हूँ. Let me once we finish all the level 20, right? That means we finish basic level. Once we finish this level, we need to switch for the programming.
Okay. So let me just do that.
Right. So level 20 means we need to collect all 60 stars, 60. That means each level carries 3 stars. So once we complete level 20, we should get 60. If any case you are unable to collect a star, try it out once again, so that once you complete all collecting the 60 stars, then you need to go for the programming. Okay, see, programming, then ORG competition, blocky, and keep on going. Basic 2, basic commands. Here, we need to keep on going, and all these are for level 1. Once we complete level 1, then we need to switch for level 2 and then level 3. It's logged as soon as we clear out the levels. This log will get opened.
The mysteries of outer space remain unknown.
Click out here. So all have completed level 5 to level 5.
Space to explore
The child whose system got freeze, is it working now?
Traveling through space and was tasked traveling on a spaceship to collect
So our
information
system
about the
isn't
newly
working.
discovered.
We've tried many times.
Please,
I don't think it's
I
on the
can hear
system.
your video. Please,
Just as that spaceship
off
was
your
about to
video.
reach its destination,
I
it
can
was
get
hit by
sound of your
meteorites and they
video.
had to make an emergency landing.
Please,
Much of their energy resources
off your
were lost in
video
the crash.
as I'm getting sound.
We need your help. Can you learn how to use coding to help Dev complete his mission?
Who is playing the video? Please turn off your video. Okay. So now see, as soon as we have completed till level 5, now we are getting a new level with spaceship. Now see what we have to do is now basically Dev has to first move to this. Now Dev has to move with the spaceship to collect the boosters, right? So let me help you out these blocks. See, you can take the help of these blocks also, but let me explain one by one. Okay. So what we need to do is instead of Dev step 1, first we need to take spaceship step 1. Okay. Yes.
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, you can.
Sir, can I also go to washroom?
Yes, you can. Okay. So let me delete all these blocks. So those who are practicing level, it's level 20. Okay, just wait a minute. One, two, three, four, 5. Where is level 6? 6. Okay.
So we are stuck on one level.
So do one thing. What should I do? Try out once. I will send my number in the chat box. Anytime, just drop me a message. I will be helping you out to solve the puzzles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After the session, once the session ends, I will send my number in the chat box. And anytime, I will be helping you out to solve the puzzles.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm Kabir Singh's mother. So he asked you for help in level 3. He did all the steps of turning right and then taking 4 steps ahead. When he clicked
Yes.
on run, he got a message type error. Null is not an object. Evaluating window, airship, turn right. What does that mean? So we are stuck at level 3. Can you please help?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, the code was not correct. You have used spaceship step or Dev step.
Kabir, which step did you use?
Spaceship step.
So it's not a spaceship, it's the Dev, right? We need to choose Dev turn right, then Dev step 4.
Okay.
They are the these are the two difference. As soon as we move on next levels, we also will be getting spaceship. It's the Dev. Basically, we have to use blocks for Dev. Dev turn right, then Dev step 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Understood.
Okay. So level 6. Right. Let me delete these blocks now. So what we have to do to solve level 6? So basically, let's try solving one by one. So first they will move 3 steps. Count the steps 1, 2, 3. First they will move 3 steps. I'm solving one by one, and after adding their step 3, let me run it and check. See, Dev has moved 3 steps. Now what has to do Dev? Now Dev has to turn either left or right. Right? Dev step 3, and then after here they will turn right. They've turned right. Please do not add spaceship steps because here we are now only adding the blocks for they. So first they will move 3 steps and now they will turn right. Let me run this code. See 1, 2, 3. Now they has turned right. Right. Once they've turned right, now what they has to do? Now they has to move 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps to collect the booster. So first we need to add their step 3, 1, 1. Just have a look on my cursor. 1, 2, 3. Once they reach here, now they has to turn right. They here now will be turning right, and then after they will move how many steps? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now they will move 4 steps here. 4. Now they will move 4 steps. Now let me run this code. Right, it's basically a gaming platform, whereas wherein we need to solve out the puzzles with the help of blocks, as this is called block-based coding. Right, we got 3 stars. Until and unless we get 3 stars, we will keep on trying till we get the 3 stars. Okay, so level 6. Now level 7. Have you all solved till level 6? Have you all solved till level 6?
Not able to solve it. It's stuck for some reason.
No.
Okay, for those, let me just
Sir,
provide my number in the chat box. Wait a second, I'm providing my number in the chat box. So those was not able to solve the puzzle, by any case, if your system was stuck it out, you can reach out to me to my you can reach out me to this given number. Okay, I will be there to help you out. Okay, so how now let's solve level 7. Let me delete these blocks. So Dev is basically here. Dev, what should I have to do? Dev, should I need to add Dev step first, or should I need to add Dev turn right or left? Which
No,
block
I
will be
have-
added first? Please help me out. Do I need to add Dev step for moving, or should I need to add first Dev turn right or left? See Dev first has to turn either right or left, right?
we should turn right.
Yes. Now I'm adding first they turn right. They first will turn right, and then after they will move how many steps to reach here to the
So,
given cursor?
So there's a
1,
problem.
2,
So there's
3. Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. There's a problem in in
Okay.
level 5. There's a problem in level 5. When I do Dave to step 4 and do turn left and then 3 times, it doesn't come.
So what have you added? First, what we need to do is first we need to add Dev step 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First add a block Dev step 4. Then Dev turn left. Dev, we need to add Dev block. Dev, not spaceship block. Dev step 4. Dev turn left. Again then Dev 1, 2, 3. Dev step 3.
That's why I did spaceship, not Dave.
Right, so that's why I'm repeating this again and again, that for this very beginning of coding, we are only adding Dev block. We only are adding Dev block. Let me show you a spaceship first. Okay, let me show you a spaceship at level 20. Okay, so this is the spaceship. As soon as we get spaceship, then we need to perform spaceship coding. This is the spaceship. This is Dev. So now at beginning level, we only need to add Dev blocks, not the spaceship blocks. Okay. So can I switch back to level 7? I think I was on level 7. Have you solved level 5? Have you solved level 5?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, see here, it's what is this level 7? I was on level 7 only, right? Level 6 or 7?
Sir, you are on level 7.
Okay. So basically, this is level 7. So what basically they first has to do is, first they has to turn right. Please only choose Dev blocks, not spaceship blocks, because we doesn't have any spaceship here, right? So first they will turn right, and then after they will move 1, 2, 3 steps to reach out here. They turn right, and they steps 3, 1, 2, 3. Again they now will turn left on reaching here. Okay, let me first run it. Let me first run this block. So now they on here on reaching there. Now they will turn left. They've turned right. They've step 3. Once they reach here, again now they will turn left. Here they will turn left, and then after again, how many steps does Dave have to move to collect the booster? From here, 1 and 2. Dave step 2. Okay, so let me repeat all the blocks one by one again. See, first Dave has to turn right. Once they've turned right, so then after Dave has to move 1. Just have a look on my cursor. Dave has to move 1, 2, 3 steps. As soon as they reach here, Dave has to turn left. Again, they will move 1 and 2 steps to collect the booster. And let me run it out. Here. And now Dave has collected the booster. Okay. So can we now switch for level 8? Can we move for, can we switch for level 8? Any one of you? Can we switch for level 8?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm already level 20.
Okay, very good.
Sir, I'm in level 12.
Okay,
Unit 2.
right. So see, now
Sir,
basically,
can I have a question on level 10? Okay. So whenever I just make the spaceship to come towards Dev, okay, and then Dev comes on the spaceship. Then once I just make the spaceship to turn, it just like dashes into the land. So how shall I make the Dev to reach the booster?
is it for which level?
10, 1, 0.
Unit 1 or unit 2?
What?
Unit 1 or unit 2?
1.
Okay. So very soon we'll be at level 10. Right now I'm at level 8. Okay. So, right. So here, now here what Dave has to do, how Dave can collect the booster. So let me help this. Dave, where you want to move your Dave first, to the right or to the left? I want to move Dave first to the right. Okay, let me add this block. Dave step 4. So see, they will collect this booster for 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after that, they will turn right. Again, they will turn right. And see, I'm just trying. And let's check, run it out again. Here, they've turned right 2 times. And then after, again, count from here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They've step 8. Why I'm adding they've turned right 2 times?
And you can just put -8.
Yes, that's why. Wait, as instead of this, we'll be putting that also. But let me help you out. Why this code is not correct? Okay. See, they step 4, that means this is they will be moving 4 steps in the forward direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They, as soon as we add their step 4, they will collect this booster. Again, they will turn right and right. So, and then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here we will not be getting 3 stars. See. Dave has collected the booster. Dave has collected the booster, but here we are getting only 1 star because the code is incorrect. It's not properly, the code is not proper connected, right? So instead of adding right and plus 8, we can directly add -8. Level 8. Okay, so instead of this, what can we do? Right, Dave step, instead of turning Dave to right, we directly can add Dave step -8. Instead of this, we directly can add Dave step -8. Minus indicates that they will be moving back to collect the booster. See, 1, 2, 3. Dave has collected the booster. Now Dave is returning back to collect the second booster. Right? Now we got the 3 stars. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
when I do this level 9, I have done it, but when I try and click minus and then the number that's needed, I'm not able to make it. It says it's incorrect and you're not allowed to do it.
Okay. See, okay, maybe एक बार we have to 1 by 1. Okay, let's solve the puzzles here 1 by 1. Okay. So what basically first Dave has to do is, first Dave has to move in the forward direction. So I will be adding 1, 2, and 3 steps. So we'll add first Dave 3 steps. Dave step 3. We'll add Dave step 3. Okay, add Dave step 3. 1. Repeating again. 1, 2, 3. Now Dev is at this position. Now we have both the options. Either we can turn our Dev right or to left. So I am choosing one block. They turn Dev right. And if it's there here, let me run this block first. The right is here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and turn right. And then after, how many steps does this Dev has to move to collect the first booster? 1, 2, 3. So Dev step 3. Right? Now Dev will collect the first booster. As soon as Dev collect the first booster, now we need to add Dev minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Dev step -6. -6. If instead of adding minus, if we turn Dev to collect the booster, we will not be getting 3 stars. So let's run this code. See, Dev collected the first booster, go back, and now collecting the second booster. See, we got 3 stars. So repeating again, let me explain these blocks again. First, I have added Dev step 3. By adding Dev step 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Dev first will move here. First, Dev will move here. Now, Dev has both the options. Either Dev can turn left or Dev can turn right. So here I have added Dev turn right. You also can add Dev turn left. Both code are correct. Proper correct. So here I have added Dev turn right. And then after Dev step 3. So 1, 2, 3. Dev now will collect the first booster. And once Dev collect first booster, instead of turning Dev, we can write minus to return back. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So they step -6. So that they can collect the first booster as well as the second booster. So can I switch now for level 10? Can I switch for level 10? In any case, you are not able to solve the puzzle or you could not understand the puzzle, please raise your hand so that I can revise the puzzle again. No doubt. Okay. So here now introducing here the spaceship, right? So how to solve level 10? Here they cannot jump. They cannot jump, right? Because Dev is on space. Dev cannot jump. So basically what Dev has to do first is that Dev first has to bring spaceship here. So how Dev can bring spaceship? So for that, Dev has to add a block. This is a spaceship. First of all, we have to move this spaceship here. And once the spaceship here, then Dev can be, then after Dev can easily walk it and then can collect the booster. So to move your spaceship here, we need to add the spaceship step. Now we need to add spaceship steps instead of adding Dev step. So now we'll be adding spaceship steps. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we'll be adding spaceship steps 4. So as soon as I add spaceship step 4, spaceship will be here. Now spaceship is here. Let me run it to show you. See. Now spaceship is here, right? Then okay. So space we need to add spaceship 4, and then after we need to add Dev steps. So how many how much we need to add? So we need to add 1. We need to count these also because once the spaceship is here, so Dev step we need to add Dev steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So spaceship steps 4, Dev step 4. Run it. So first spaceship will move there, and then after they will move to collect the booster. And we have completed till level 10. So in the next webinar, we'll start from level 11.
I have a question.
Yes.
I have the question in level 20. How will I put the spacecraft or Dev up?
So I have shared my number in the chat box, right? So for the if you have a doubt, if you are on level 20, just ping me. I will help you out there.
So how to pin you?
I just have shared my number over chat.
So how shall I call?
Just drop me a message on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number.
Okay.
So basically we have completed level 10 here. So in the next webinar we'll start from level 11. Okay. So anyone if could not complete level, please raise your hand. Is there anyone who could not complete till level 10? All have completed? All have completed. Raise your hand or say me hi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Very good.
sir.
Very good. Okay. So okay. So can we end the session now? Bye all. Have a great day.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes.
So I have a particular problem in level 11, 12.
Okay. Just ping me. I'll be helping you out there. Okay. Bye all. Have a great day.